Hi everyone, welcome to BESTFarm. It's a wonderful and bountiful day once again. Into this video, we're going to share with you how we assemble our ram pump. So guys, come.
Hi everyone, good morning. So into this video, we will going to explain to you how we assemble our 1-inch diameter inlet ram pump with 1/2 inch diameter outlet pipe. So in our previous video, we discussed with you the parts of our ram pump. Before we proceed with the assembly of these ram pumps, I'm going to recap the parts that we'll be using in this assembly of our ram pump. So first we have 1-inch teeth, this one. We have 2 sets of 1-inch GI teeth. Then we have 1 swing brass bulb. We have 1 chick bulb, and then we have 1-inch diameter ball bulb, and another 1/2 inch diameter ball bulb for our outlet. We have 1-inch diameter patente, joiner patente, and we have a reducer from 1-inch diameter for our inlet, and then 1/2 inch diameter for our outlet. We have a key, 1/2 inch diameter key, and we have a nipple, 1/2 by 2 pieces, and we have several nipples and couplings. So we also have our pressure tank. This is a fire extinguisher tank which we have converted into a pressure tank. So we made a hole here, and then we put up GI cap, and then here also we cut here, and then we put up with 1/2 inch diameter coupling. Okay? So in the assembly of this part, we will be using a Teflon pipe to ensure that there is no leak and that the fittings is good. Okay, so we will start with the assembly. So we will join this chick bulb with our teeth. Okay, so we will use a Teflon tape so that the water will not leak. Be sure that you put a sufficient amount of Teflon tape so that it will not leak. Okay, so that's our main part, and then we will also connect our teeth coming from the inlet pipe to this chick bulb. Okay. So after that, we have here, we'll install our reducer on the side. So that we can connect our outlet pipe, which is 1/2 inch in diameter. This is a reducer from 1 inch diameter to 1/2 inch. So this is the 1/2 inch diameter, and the hole in the other side is 1/2 inch. Okay, so we will use heavy duty yabi tube or 5 inch. After connecting that, we will connect our pressure gauge. This is our gauge with 150 psi. Actually, this is optional, so it's okay if we don't have a pressure gauge, but we try to install this one so that we can monitor the pressure of the water. So we can connect our plug here to our outlet. So we'll also connect our patente here. We use patente so that we can adjust the angle of our inlet pipe. So here we will connect our pressure tank here. So this is the connection of our pressure tank. Okay. So that will be now the picture of our ram pump. So this is our inlet, water inlet, and this is our water outlet. So you will notice this is the swing check valve. This is the spring valve, and this is our pressure tank. Pressure gauge, 1/2 inch diameter bore valve, and 1/2 inch diameter ball valve. Okay? So,
Hi everyone, good morning. We are here at our farm. This is another farm or another area where I planted various fruit-bearing trees. This morning we are scouting for an area where we can put up our ramp pump to bring the water on top of the mountain. So we are here at the creek right now, and we are looking at the creek where to place our ramp pump. We are measuring the elevation of this creek so that we will know how much is the drop. Okay, so that is our one of the laborer carrying the GI pipe, which we will going to install. So this is now the creek. This is summer right now, but luckily it still has water. And the water, I believe, is more than enough to generate a sufficient force to push our water towards the mountain. So as you will note, a ramp pump is another way of bringing the water into the mountain or higher elevation without using any electricity. So folks, we will now install our pipes, and so far we will be placing our ramp pump there. Okay, so we'll give you an update later once we have already installed the ramp pump and the pipes.
In our next video, we will install the ramp pump. So guys, always remember that you are the best. And here in BESTFarm, we always strive to give you the best. Stay safe and have a nice day.